and they cut it
Cooper's
off.
literally looking to see if we're watching.
The people in the other car are probably like, hello! Welcome back to another video on my channel. Wow, I've got an action-packed vlog for you today and I am so excited to show you some clips. I just want to pop in before the video starts and just say a couple things that are important to me, that I want to get to you, the things that I wanted to get through, right? So I've just written down a couple of points. But basically, I have a few things I want to ask. Now, in my last couple of vlogs, I've just been doing my life and filling you guys in with what I've been up to in my spare time, in my free time, during my studies, blah, 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 blah. Is that entertaining? Are you having fun? Like, even the people that watch my stuff because they're my friends and whatnot and they want to support me, amazing. Are you actually enjoying it? I need to know because I enjoy making these vlogs. How can I make them better and fun and maybe interactive? I don't know. But one thing that I love to do, and you will see in this vlog, is I love to read. At the moment, it's like my biggest thing, and I just finished the Hunger Games in the vlog. I'm reading it. Would you like to hear me talk about my reading my books? I love to chat about books, and I can chat about it forever. So would you be interested in reading vlogs? Yeah, so basically just let me know your opinion in the comments. In this video, you'll be seeing lots of clips. My favorite part was the Billie Eilish concert, which I got to go to, which was amazing. It was so good. She never fails to like impress me. She's incredible, and I tried to put in a couple of snippets because I don't know how much I can include without getting copyrighted. So yeah, there's that. I went on my Easter trip. I went in a limo because you'll find out soon. I went out for brekkie with my friends. Yeah, it's just a mix of a bit of everything. So I really hope you enjoy and subscribe if you have not already. And I'd love to do more face-to-face chat to the camera kind of videos. Those are my favorite things to do. I love watching them. If you want to hear me yap, I'm happy to yap. That's it. Please enjoy the vlog. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you in the video soon. I'm recording this shit. Hello, I'm here to give context because clearly I can't give enough context in the video. Amazing. So basically what happened, right? I entered myself into like a mini work competition, right? And we're creating a lager with our work. And eventually I came up with a name and won the competition. But there was also another thing where if people work New Year's, they got invited to a fancy brewery and had lunch. This gave me the opportunity to join in the lunch because I won my competition, which was great because it was all my workmates. So we thought it was a joke, right, to get a limo. No one really knew how we were gonna get there. We were just gonna get there. In what vehicle? That was to be discovered. I'm not even kidding you. 5 minutes before this limo showed up, there was a little van with a bunch of seats in the back, and I was like, hey, that's gonna be funny as I cannot wait to get into this thing. No joke, this thing pulls to the side, parks, and then around the corner this limo pulls up, and I'm like, I didn't know we could afford something like this. This is crazy. Anyways, that's the context. Hey, limo lads. That is such a goofy looking car. So fun. I also want to throw in there that the limo workers were so lovely, and they could tell that this is just not a regular thing for us, so they made it the best possible experience, laying out the red carpet. Are you kidding me? I wish someone could do that at the front of my door every day. That would make my day so much better, just rolling out the red carpet. Anyways, thanks guys. You guys did great. 10 out of 10.
Did Darren pay for this?
Yeah, he's got discounts.
for the red carpet.
He's got contacts. Yeah. An extra 50 quid.
I go first.
Ladies,
Alex, go first.
take the photo of the limo.
Yes! Holy shit! Oh my god! This is crazy! I'm not gonna even lie to you, this is actually extremely fun. I'm gonna cut the stupid music off because it's pretty incredible. We don't get to do this very often, and I just want to savor it and just say how freaking grateful we are. And let's hope it happens again. Let's go New Year's squad. Back to the front of the I'm gonna stop it right there. Let's move on to the pub. It was fantastic. We got a lovely tour. We tried out the food. It wasn't too bad. Yeah, it was a really lovely space. I didn't film a lot there just because we wanted to enjoy the moment and all that stuff. But yeah. Let's just say the limo was fine.
Hey guys,
Leave it down.
deep it down.
Leave it down. I'm glowing.
Wait, sit there.
Sorry, I'm having a moment.
I think
Now you may be wondering, Mackenzie, you got the limo up. That's gotta be expensive, right? No way. How are you gonna get back? You bet your ass we got back in that limo.
okay.
And you thought our last limo driver was lovely. He was fantastic. This guy, he popped the wine. He got the music playing. I don't even know, but we were still hyped and we were tired and sleepy from wine. Let's go hype number 2. As we were pulling up to get dropped off by the limo, we were greeted by one of our fellow co-workers. As she watched show up in this limo, she was clocking off to work. What the f? Now, if I was her, I'd be mad. But hey, at the end of the day, we had fun. And that's our life lesson. Oh, I don't know, man. That day was... Hi!
Actually putting bubbles behind her.
Bubbles.
Oh no.
And balloons and bubbles.
Picked out of the
Yeah, try your Ashley.
Happy birthday, dear Bridget. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Captain.
What have you got in there?
Alcohol.
What?
I'm gonna put it in the fridge. I got strawberry lime.
Oh, that was good.
I was gonna put it in.
Alright, yep. Okay, we filming. Oh, you may say I'm a dreamer. Ooh, oh. Oh, and the real winners is me.
Oh, why is it so fast? Can't keep up. Oh. Hey, the real winner is Emily. Emily, congratulations, you won. Oh.
I need to stir off the chocolate a little, just milk. He's better than I'm getting more by that.
Ballerina cappuccino. 360.
Okay, 360, come on. Okay. Yep. Banana.
Banana?
Bello.
Oh, I got this for Cooper. He don't know yet.
Cooper, this for you.
And then this one for me. Oh, yeah. This music got me going.